Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's a gorgeous Saturday morning and I'm going to get out here and do some prepping for the septic install. So we're moving on now with the next step of building. It's been a little bit of a process getting the permit, but we have it now, and I actually just had my meeting with my excavator, Mr. Dave, with Fry's Excavating, that's done all the laying and excavating work, and he's going to come out and dig my septic and for my septic field, septic tank, and I'm just going to kind of take you along, and we're just going to watch him do his craft. So I'm just going to, in the meantime, I need to clean up around all the stakes that the surveyor staked out, and I'm just going to kind of show you, because I really haven't showed you yet, our surveyor. He has come out and he actually surveyed the house stakes, he surveyed the septic area, surveyed the well, and we have it all on our site map now. So I'll kind of take you through and show you what we got here, and we'll go from there. Well, before I show you all the points and kind of the layout that the surveyors put out, you really can't see it because I got about 3 to 4 feet of grass. So I'm gonna get on the old Cub Cadet here and we'll get it cleaned up, then I'll go ahead and show you. All right, well, the Cub Cadet tore that up, did really good. Getting all that tall grass leaves knocked down. It was as tall as them T-posts. I think those were 4-foot T-posts. So, well, anyway, those T-posts represent the house. And then the front porch, that's the front porch corner. Front corner, and then the back corner is right by the rocking chairs. And there's the other corners up there, porch in the corner, and then there's the farthest back corner. And that'll be the house. Obviously, we know the driveway. I've been working on that a lot. And I'll take you and show you where the septic perk is. All right, so now I'm standing at the back of the house. So, like I said, there's the back corner. There's the other back corner. And that's obviously the lane coming down in. And then the septic tank is gonna sit in between where the drain field will be. If you can see where that orange post is, right there. That is the highest elevation, closest corner of the septic reserve area. So the drain field will sit in between that post, and then there's another post just in them trees right there. Oh, don't focus on my finger. Just in them trees, you can't see it from here. And it's about 2 50-foot trenches that'll span in between there. And then the septic tank is gonna sit from the back of the house, somewhere between the rock wall and this tree right here is where it will sit. And then the sewer main will go out to the beginning of the drain field and then drain off from there. And one other thing, for you guys who have been watching, you know the Forester mulch field and the series we did on cleaning it up and planting some clover and grass. It's been a little over a month and it is doing amazing. It's coming up really nice. There's a couple weeds and ferns that have come up with it, but that's okay. I was kind of expecting that. I'll let this grow up to seed. I probably won't cut this for another month or two to really get it full seed out, and then I'll chop it down and it should do really nice. And also Laurel's lilac tree is doing amazing. As you can see, she bloomed out. A real nice lilac bloom right there. And we're really pleased it's coming up really nice. So we're really excited. It's been a long time coming, but the Lord's been working, and we're just thankful that we got the permit approved. And our friend Dave, who's done an amazing job on our property, I can't say enough good things about him. He's really been a blessing to our family, and he's going to come out and do the septic probably in a week or two. And I'll try to get pictures. Obviously I work during the day and he works during the day, so I'll try to get out here when I can and get some updated pictures of what he's doing, and just so you can see what it looks like to install a conventional septic field in our homestead. So we do thank you guys for watching, and we do ask for all the new subscribers. We've gotten a couple more subscribers and we've gotten a lot more viewers, and I would ask you, if you are watching regularly, would you consider subscribing? That really helps our channel to spread out and get more content to more people so they can see what we're doing out here. So I would ask, if you did like it, if you do enjoy watching these videos, please give it a like, and please subscribe and share it to your friends and family so they can see what we're doing, so we can grow the channel. And again, as always, we just thank you again, and I hope you have a blessed day.